What's up, mensen? Welcome back naar een video nobo die behind the scenes ng the OnBrand. Een video kita di nos record ku Tsnatee. Een video kita recorded, produced, edited, thought of by Ambro Creative. So shout out to Ambro.
Let's get to it.
Morning.
She is always eating.
Let me steady opinion. Can I wear this?
Yes, you can.
See?
I'm gonna wear red, apparently.
Okay.
I was gonna wear green-ish. Okay, so this is the look. This is the look.
I don't think she wore red.
She did not wear red. She did not wear red.
Tsnatee ta hindi ku ta fashionista. So she took her time, which we had, by the way, so no sta factura I say that Pa decidi kita by bisti. And the episodio era able sa amin nakikita di bisti. Pero she looked great. Por babasa ko, these are all things ko tingo already kading kunya. Tsnatee no ta promedia kita riba camera, so she takes this stuff serious.
Not a professional when it comes to hosting. So is a moderator, to host, to spreker. Dus uiteindelijk kok is, she does this for a living. Ta funny gewoon bij mira party aqui pas nos nota maki me hopi guest. Vooral pas OnBrand. For some reason, he looks like that me cry for help. Girls, singers, dancers.
Si buta canta, si
buting
algo.
business, whatever it is. No sa riparanto ko. Tem streak, aqui que eu tenho, vamos bem, ando por trás de maneta e não super bem. That's not the case. Girls, you're more than welcome to join us.
Oh, can I call this live something? How do I do that?
Recording.
The shenanigans before we start.
Yeah.
No, sa decidi ko sa base yung TikTok live. Gewoon pa geef aan quanto cos tá passando behind the scenes. Much like we're doing now. Gewoon por ba de mostrar bastante de processo. E goal dia sa ita gewoon pa hinanang por mira quanto tá take pa produzir nos podcast, quanto tá take pa tudo outro hinanang tubido nos kuta nos friends nang kuta siya gewoon pa nada believe in the dream. Ando nang kita parte di che quando nos apreciar. Basta lo mira nos hace probably more often in futuro, pero laga nos hace se algo san que off no.
It was doing their own coffee setup. I love this. I love that. Okay, well.
Tsnatee again to unprofessional. Mi non vi sarà much notes at all. Usually mi duna notes durante the photoshoot. There's a creative director role. Tsnatee high energy. Tsnatee that look great. That feel good. Dus ze time te pone ko no sabe ting high energy pa ko ni isu episodio. Parte mo DJ kam net interact with the camera. Ja, dat ko man overlay sir. Tik ko tig dimensions.
Okay, yeah. Can I landi que para trás do nos talk about it?
Sim.
Mas mané play ko e camera un tiki bing di baje na sine.
Stop! People are gonna be like, who's this girl? What did she think she is? I love it.
Nos play music por en anta bezig. Tas sa kapotred nang get into the vibe and dan sinti as comfortable as possible. Assim, ang tigre sa um princípio hopi grande que nos tinta ku po se sentir na casa. Me sentir comfortable. Então, se não é para trás não tá sali bom, e vibes não tá vibing, e conversação não tá vai tá bom. Então, te ku agora que me tenho bisa, me te sinto mané nós pone nós fazemos basta bom trabalho, bem sei.
Eens. Dus quando vai na outro podcast na uma entrevista pessoa sabe que não sim, sabe nas plataformas, nos espaços lá que nos que, pero manager ainda bisa para nós é super importante para ena que feel na casa, pessoa tem já tá meta nós para mim bia quando você será conhecido com não. Então que chemistry call, como mencionado before em episódio de vídeo também de winter, nós se ele era só para break the ice um tiki. Então sowieso de call ta outro foi ora baseada personal, dus nós põe em cabo de element com música, com snacks, com bring +1 bijvoorbeeld, nós try to do that to accommodate you as much as possible. So, en dat zei nós também tá verwacht, Loki, nós sei gemaakt met no ting comfortability en dan het leuk.
No, another lake.
Dus ta learning experience kung sa pas an pa kunos ng topic.
Yes, okay, I like the color. Cute. Blame it on the boogie sugar. Musik net so punta in ang nakas. So, nasa punta in ang nakas kaya kan blame it on the boogie.
Or nanda din discussion di blame it on the boogie. I'm the pensa riba happy feet. So that says enough. Next.
Jackson 5.
No, isn't it Michael Jackson?
Jackson 5, you're wrong, sis.
You're not whoopee passionate about that for some reason.
Jackson 5, not Michael Jackson? See? Oh my God, sorry, Kevin. I love you so much.
Kevin was right.
Is it a friend of the show, Kevin Trump, Transform with Lotus. Bij check out zijn episodio. Ergens in onze discography.
And there was a mira dream thing. Those posts, so
That's tough.
yeah.
See, what's the direction? Sorry.
Dus okay, hindi masih land so abata central. Pero mi kaya play ke camera también ting depth perception. No está
Okay.
fotos mani no está atrás mani Tsnatee.
Okay.
Yes.
Moonlight. Oh, good times. Boogie. Sunshine.
Ja, maar dat is ook een shirt dat kita to definitely uitdaging bang bisa. DC mit BTS no. Pero mabisi mi mes mit baya sia anto no estaba aquí ganando bisa. Angel no estaba fan, pero Tsnatee sí estaba fan. And you know, as long as one black woman is standing behind me, I'm good. My haircut to look good, see.
Nabada. Moonlight. No, good time. Hey, a boogie wow. Hey, otra vez. Vamos, entrevista, and I'm really looking forward to it.
Ele flash kita met ang nobo okay. Thanks to our photographer Nathan.
Nathan.
Atraso sa Otro.
De nada.
Pero ito yung algo
Sí,
mit tayo.
I like
Ito
them.
mas homely.
I like them. They test like them para second font. Second font or second thumbnail. Actually, it's bastante America, no? Tell us where you're from or where you're living at. Maybe don't say that precise, pero si bata from the US, the bata walk OnBrand, let us know.
Man, ba address ko PO box? What the frick?
Let us know.
Iba bang Greek na like, what?
No. Kung dami ko tingin ko nota na hulana of course of din Caribe ko tawak, no? So if you're from somewhere kung nota inanang, let us know. Hit us up. Sabihin ko vakansi.
E coisa que eu nome Durashi. E coisa que eu nome Kurashi para assim lo que me quer assim.
Minha que vai que parte é moment é muito calamar e passou muita maneira. Eu vou saber Kurashi, até da maneira Durashi. Anyways, and I could name Kurashi ta gewoon cuz Tsnatee the willing to see. It's okay with laughing at herself and to keep going. Dus another mani to me because it's Tsnatee awaki mas mio. Pero another yani ko mutabisa ta mani embarrassed of being herself, which is great. So opo yani ko porta po na miss online ta mas discreet of mas reserved. I mean miss thing say Mr. Purban they keep the for you say. But another thing you say like what you see is who she is tame. So no, she's home one of the most authentic people we know. Who knows I'm actually from the internet. So
From the internet.
because we did.
E parceiro com paixão tá promê oração. De dois também sostém de minha família ainda na rondou de mim. E de três também é meta comitim, é goal comitim para me querer motivar me mesmo e pensar mesmo me tingo vai ver. Branding mistake comida mira o pinheira da hasi tá.
Okay.
Okay, well. That's very true.
Being más cerca de like that, sí. Ando levo. Ya. Manera siempre nos começar con nuestro little tune. Esa aqui tá Antiana Puro. By Gian. Seminotera. Shout out to Gian. I really like this song. Anto si Abo, que tiende tu kantika nang ku OnBrand ta toka. Tingnan episodio nang By na OnBrand music playlist, i-link din bio. Kami na tayo ng tour in chronological order.
Sempre dream to set me up kiko yung musiki.
Nota pa malo. Ano ba ito, Joey?
Não tem gel.
Ito, abin na ito yung gas yun. Pronto la guest introduce su mes. A ver, nos ting.
Drum rolls, please.
Drum rolls, nos ting.
Tsnatee. Yeah.
Ano po promotion, isa na iyan na kumita trapo niya. Patuloy na sinti na mes na casting e grupo aqui.
You gotta do what you gotta
You gotta do what you gotta do. If you got a passion, you gotta do all the things.
Find a way, yo.
Yeah, go.
So,
Stanley!
okay.
Sino mo
Live
yung
people
Stan?
can- You go add more sounds to the soundboard. We can add whoop-de-doo.
I can add anything, Nini leaks. Nini leaks.
That's too specific. But because nobody knows what the frick that is.
Ooh, child, the ghetto. The ghetto. That's Nini leaks.
I've heard of that one before.
But you like a Rolex
No.
meme?
Bling, bling, bling. Bitches is mad.
See, off. Si boss yung niche, we may incorporate it into the fabric of the podcast. So here, but giving it a new meaning within our universe. What come you
Yeah, mo komende. No po bisa nang kunos ta usa normal. So say ta
Qua?
ding bisa na mo no tingkas. Lomito di ba uitkering.
No, no, es una na si kumisa usa. What? No, busa mo din ako.
No singo
No,
kumisa.
me
No.
too, getting crazy.
Nós também back na site mas nós yung pa na kuta inside jokes.
So,
There's nós também wak approve kunos core group of friends.
Yeah.
Kinanta pensa pero lomito di ba uitkering guys.
lo me too getting the funny.
Lomito di ba uitkering.
Crazy.
Crazy.
Let's get back to why that's funny. That's good. That you cook.
Vale la pena.
You cook.
That's a wrap, y'all.
That's a wrap.
Hey, maar dat was zo leuk. Jullie doen het zo goed. Het is niet normaal hoe goed het is. Okay, I've said it already a few times, but I truly mean it.
Cara, que no sé qué usando pensa, anto no sé mira usando que be. Agora para pedir mamãe.
Sim, porque o rato me tiene mucho leo, sempre tiene mucho cerca.
Voy a mucho para ver aquí.
Yeah.